Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out the Catrice Insta Bae palette. So if you want to see how this palette works, then just keep watching. So we're being really relaxed today and I don't have a background. It's actually 6 something in the morning, 6:51. I'm getting ready for work. So I just figured I wanted to try this palette because I just bought it. So why not try it for you as well? So I'm just sitting at my vanity because setting everything up over there would be a pain and it's too early for that. So I bought this off of Ulta. I feel like my voice is lower than normal because, you know, just woke up. So I got this on Instagram. Wake up. I got this on Ulta and it is $15. So this is the palette. Let me take off the plastic. This is the inside of the palette. It's really neutral, but really pretty. And I mean, don't get me wrong, I have a lot of neutral palettes, but I felt like it would be something that would be good to kind of let you guys know about if it is good, just because it's an affordable neutral palette. Like, how can you go wrong? Let's put some concealer on. I'd put an eye primer, but the only eye primer I have at the moment is one I got in a BoxyCharm, which is by Pretty Vulgar, and it's not pigmented. So we're just gonna use concealer because whatever. So I'm gonna try to have high spirits in this video, but like, I just woke up. I'm gonna try. I'm a fairly good morning person. My voice is just weirding me out because I normally don't talk for like a good hour after waking up. Enough. I am gonna set it, so I'm just gonna set it with the face powder. This is by ColourPop. Let's stop talking and actually jump into this palette. Should we be basic? That's the problem, is like, I don't know what clothes I'm wearing. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, do we want to be bronze today? I feel like I don't ever do that. Let's do that. Wait, what's the difference? Oh, it is a slight difference. So there's these two right here that don't look, oh, can you see it? They don't look too different except for like the pigments in them, but they are slightly different. Like, one is darker than the other. Come on. There we go. And the one that has like the multicolor in it, just by touching it, does feel softer. So I think we're gonna do a bronzy look today. So let's go in with the first shade, which is hashtag Facetune. And it's just kind of like, you know, your basic beginning brown. And I'm gonna go in with a Alameda Cosmetics brush. There's no name, it's just a blender brush. And we're gonna put that in the crease to start. These are pretty pigmented. It's definitely more cool toned than I thought it would be. I mean, it does look fairly cool toned in here, but I didn't think it'd be this cool tone, but that's okay. They seem to be blending okay. I mean, not amazing, but pretty good. I mean, you have to remember this is a $15 palette, so I'm not too mad about it. I've actually never tried Catrice shadows, so this is the first. Actually, I've never tried Catrice in general. All right, let's move on. So I'm gonna use this shade, which is hashtag Glam. There's two dark browns in here. However, this one is it's a lot darker. It's hashtag Dope, and it's more like cool toned, whereas this is more chocolatey and you can see like the reddish tone underneath it. So we're gonna use that one because I feel like this eye look is already cool toned. So we're gonna try to build this up in the crease and get this more like warm, because I personally like more warmth. Are you done? Don't you mess up that pile. I have a line of clothes behind me in the order that I did the haul so that I can try them on in the same order. Yeah, I was too lazy to try them on the same day. Yeah. I can be honest. All right, I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of the Facetune just to kind of blend everything together. I really don't know if this color is gonna go now. Yeah, it should still look good. Okay, I think I'm gonna use a brush though. So I'm gonna go into the shade hashtag blogger, which is this shade. I'm gonna just try to use it with the brush. We'll see if I need to wet it or if I should use my finger instead. We'll find out. But we're gonna put this on the lip. Oh, that's pretty. Wow, that's really pretty. Glittery but subtle. I'm sure if I wet it, it wouldn't be, but I think I'm actually gonna leave it because I think there's another shade I'm gonna go in to make it pop in the middle instead. And there's really not much fallout because I'm tapping my brush before I start putting it down, but there is a little bit. So pretty. Okay, really quickly, I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I did the hashtag glam, the dark brown. And I'm just going to lightly tap to blend the edges. I'm not actually adding any more product to the brush though. We're gonna try this. I don't know how it's gonna work, but I'm gonna take an Alameda Cosmetics brush. It still has no name, but it's just a flat shader brush. Or, yeah. I think I'm gonna try to take hashtag Insta, which is just like this really light white glitter shimmery shade. Gosh, can I say enough words? It's a light, oh, it actually is kind of, I don't think you're gonna be able to see this on my pale skin, but it's like a light with a slight tint of like goldish champagne. We're gonna take a brush. I don't think I'm gonna wet it yet. And I'm just going to try to pop that right on the middle just so it kind of has like a highlight of its own. Let's see how that works. That didn't do anything. I'm actually just gonna go back into the hashtag blogger and instead I'm gonna wet my brush just so I get more of the glittery effect. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set. It's the only like watery one I have. And I feel like that didn't make much of a difference, right? Is that just me? I don't think it did. It just made it slightly more metallic. But I don't think it really did much. Oh, it did do more on that side. I just think it made it more metallic, which I'm not mad about. So let's blend back out the edge. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face and then we'll do the bottom lash line. Okay, now that the rest of my face is done, let's finish my eyes because I look really weird. So I'm gonna go back in with the hashtag glam, which is that darkish brown, and I'm just gonna use a flat definer brush. Sorry if you can hear my husband's car outside. He just needs to leave for work. I don't know why he just sits there forever. Okay. So I'm gonna put that along the lower lash line on the outer edge to the middle. I'm gonna leave, nah, we're gonna bring it all the way in. But I'm just gonna make sure that it's like more feathered and light towards the inner corner. Now we're gonna go in with like a baby blender brush and I'm just gonna go back in with that Facetune shade. We're gonna use that to buff out this dark color at the bottom. You know what I mean. Oh, she's cute. She's definitely a little more saucy than I would normally go to work in, but that's all right. I definitely need to change. Like, this is pajamas. Okay, let's try, ooh, we're gonna do, oh, I love gold. Okay, we're gonna use this hashtag EOTD. What's that stand for? EOTD. I don't know, sorry. I'm a fraud. So it's this light gold shade. We're gonna try to use that as the inner corner and my brow bone highlight. See how she preforms. Oh, not bad, not bad. Cute. All right, brow bone. I'm gonna do this lighter because I don't want it that intense gold up there. I think I just need mascara and I'm done. I'm not wearing false lashes. I hardly ever do, and I definitely am not gonna be doing that at work since I hardly wear them anyways. I've been using the Caution mascara from Hourglass. I have this cute little sample and I love it so far. So I might actually buy a full size. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 7:34 a.m.
Okay, I got time. Out of curiosity, did anyone's Siri go off? I had that happen before I was watching YouTube and somebody said that on YouTube and my Siri went off. So this is the completed look. So my final thoughts are I actually think this palette is really nice and definitely worth it. Like I said at the beginning, it's $15 for this. And I think they blended out really nicely. I think they performed nicely. They're fairly, you know, pretty pigmented actually. The mattes that I used were pigmented. The shimmer was pretty pigmented. Wouldn't say it was like overly intense of a shimmer. However, I think if I used my finger, I probably could have got that. But just wetting it gave me the metallic look, and I think this is really nice. I definitely think this is a win. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. I need to get to work, so I will see you guys in the next one.